we already sent the programming to here, and you can see the cutting lines and size of the material. And then we press this play button, rectangular shaped. We press play. Okay, you can see the reference is moving. And here we have a number called number 3. That means we against our material of number 3 rulers or reference to make a cutting. Number 3 refers to the rib cutting fence. And this stop, we mark it number 1. And this one, we mark it number 2. So remember that this is number 1, number 2, and this is number 3. So we make a cutting, rib cutting on number 3. And here I can show the 90 degree, means after the rib cutting, this material need to turn 90 degree to make a cross cutting. Okay, we press again. And this time, the number 1 move. And we make a cutting against the number 1 stop. That is a cross cutting. Okay, this time we need to cross cutting to fix the length of 2010 millimeter. We already programmed these sections. Then we use number 2 stop. If we use number 2 stop, then we lift this. Let our material against this to make a cutting. Here marks right, means this material already finished cutting. No need to turn directions. Okay, this time we use number 2 again. Use this again. And when you see that this move and also the reference also move a little, that means the reference is too near to the blade. When we put materials, the length of material is not enough, so the reference move a little to give a space to give a space for the length. Okay, against the number 2 to make a cutting. After finish, we press it again. Then we finish. After finish, there's a smiling face to tell you that we already finished the cutting.